Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to link directly to a specific paragraph or heading in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. To link directly to a heading, highlight the target text, click the Styles drop-down menu in the top toolbar, and apply Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Alternatively, to link directly to a specific paragraph, place your cursor right at the beginning of that paragraph text. Go to the top menu bar, click on Insert, and select Bookmark from the drop-down menu list. A small blue bookmark ribbon icon will instantly appear next to your chosen paragraph text. Now, go to the location in your document where you want to insert the anchor link or copy the link to share with collaborators. Highlight the anchor text or click where you want the link and press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac to open the link insertion menu. Click on the section labeled Headings and Bookmarks at the bottom of the pop-up menu. Scroll through the expanded list and select your target heading or bookmark to insert the internal document link. To share a direct link with someone outside the document, click directly on the blue bookmark icon next to your paragraph, click Copy Link, and send the URL directly to your collaborator. When someone clicks the link, Google Docs will automatically open the document and scroll directly to that exact paragraph or heading. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.